Welcome. In this updated tutorial, we will show you how to recover deleted stories on Snapchat. Follow these steps to potentially retrieve lost stories from your Snapchat account. Step 1. Search in the File Manager app on your device. Begin by navigating to the File Manager app on your device. Look for any folders or directories where Snapchat stories may have been saved or stored. Step 2. Recover from Snapchat. Cache. Check the cache memory of your device where Snapchat stories might have been temporarily stored. Deleted stories could potentially be recovered from the cache. Step 3. Request your data from Snapchat. Reach out to Snapchat's support team to request your data, including any deleted stories. They may be able to provide you with a copy of your story history. Step 4. Try third-party tools. Explore third-party tools and applications specifically designed to recover deleted data from Snapchat. These tools may offer solutions to retrieve deleted stories from your account. Step 5. Ask your chat partner. If the deleted stories were shared in a conversation, consider contacting your chat partner. They may have the stories saved or be able to assist in recovering them. By following these steps, you can attempt to recover deleted stories on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in potentially retrieving lost stories from your Snapchat account. Explore these methods to recover deleted stories and keep your important content accessible on the platform.